Hi everyone, it's Pearl and welcome to Journey to Home Sweet Home. I'm going to show you today how to make these Glam candle holders, or it could double as a vase. And it's perfect for setting the mood at Valentine's. So the things you're going to need are a vase, and I got this from our local dollar store, Dollarama. It's not exactly tall, but it's not short. You're going to need a candle. You're going to need some of this decorative rhinestone mesh. And I chose the one in rose gold, but they did have silver as well. You're going to need a few decorative gems or stones, something to just put at the bottom of the vase to elevate the candle a little bit. If you don't want something so sparkly, you can go with something like this, which is a little bit more rustic looking, just to tone it down a bit. But I want it sparkly, so I'm going to go with these ones. Then you're going to need some E6000 glue, and you will need E6000 with this. I would not use hot glue just because the vase is a glass. And then you're going to need a pair of scissors just to cut the ribbon mesh. First, just take your vase and clean it off, remove your sticker. Okay, you're going to take your ribbon mesh and we're just going to apply this ribbon mesh all around your vase like this. So you're going to take your E6000 and you're just going to apply some to the vase. Then you're going to apply your ribbon mesh. Okay, so just apply it right down to the bottom, all the way around. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut. And what you can do is just measure out your ribbon beforehand, and that way you won't end up with having to cut it afterwards in an awkward position. Next, you're going to repeat this again. That's with the second layer, and you can see it's starting to come together really nicely. For the last layer, you're going to need to measure and cut where it ends. So for me, that would be halfway on the ribbon. So I'm just going to measure it out, measuring all around. Then I'm going to give it a cut. Then I'm going to cut this in half and to just see where it ends. So I am going to cut it right here, okay, as opposed to in the middle of the string, so that I don't have two strings hanging out like that. I don't want that. So I'm going to cut it right close to the circle. And there we are done. So then I picked out the white gems. So you're just going to fill it at the bottom of your vase, just so you can elevate your candle. Drop your candle in, and there you have it, a beautiful centerpiece. This candle holder or vase is so simple to make and was $5 for the supplies here in Canada, but it really makes a glam statement in a room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below letting me know if you would use this as a candle holder or a vase. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.